How to export chats from WhatsApp? Hello everyone. Do you know about the new feature on WhatsApp that allows you to export chats as a text document? Stay until the end of this video to find out how to do it. Open the WhatsApp application. Select the contact whose chat you'd like to export. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Among the available settings, the one we need is not displayed. So now, choose the More option. A new drop-down menu appears, showing the Export Chat option. Click on it. A new menu with applications for export opens. I will choose the Viber application, and you can choose an application of your choice. For demonstration, I will send the exported chat to my notes. As you can see, a text document has been created and sent. Click on it. Open it using an application. I will use Google Chrome. As you can see, the exported chat includes the following content: date, time, contact name, and message text. It also records all the messages that have been deleted and who deleted them. I hope this video has been helpful. Follow our channel for more useful tutorials.